Everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to mark all messages as read in any group or chat. Now, let's say you have a lot of messages and you just want to mark them all as read, that you've read them, even though you haven't. What do you do? From the chat option here, you go, let's say I want to do that for this. I press down on the particular chat. Don't open it, just press down on it like this, and then you can see mark as read. Tap mark as read, and then it will be marked as if you read it. It's as simple as that. Now this, you can do this even if you have as many messages as you have. Just press down on it and you mark as read. Now as you can see, this is mark as unread. This is because you read all the messages in it. If you've read all the messages in it, you see mark as unread. If you haven't read the message, you see mark as read. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, just do that here. Mark as unread. You can see it shows that I've not read them, so you press down. I can now mark it as read. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.